These things are extremely volatile, heavily driven by speculation, no fundamental intrinsic value. So I talked about intrinsic value at the start of the episode. There's nothing, they don't own anything. It's not backed by anything. It's basically, I've said this before, I'll say it again. It's no different than the dollar bill or $20 bill or $100 bill that's sitting in your wallet right now. It's not backed by anything. It doesn't own anything. There's nothing supporting that value other than that we agree, and the federal government backs up based on their full faith and credit that it's worth whatever it says on the paper. So not all that different, but you're not likely to lose all your money by having dollars in your wallet. You can lose all your money by converting those dollars to cryptocurrency or blockchain driven stocks. And so you have a high risk of permanent loss of anything that you invest. I mean, just look at recent examples. Look at Melania Trump's coin. Look at the Haktua coin. What's her name? Haley. I can never remember her name. But whatever that coin was, same thing. There's been so many of these over the past 5 years, where people invest, the coin value goes way up and then it just crashes. And if you bought it at the top of the peak, you lose so much money. And usually it's not all that different than a Ponzi, sort of where people who got in early watch it right up and then they just start pulling their money out because they got a bunch of suckers to continue to buy. And so if you're buying those things, there's a good chance that you will be the sucker holding the end of a very empty bag. So you want to be absolutely careful there. And then number 5, also going to be unpopular with a completely different sector of people, but unproven green energy technology